Back in 2017, astronomers spotted something unlike anything they had ever seen before. A strange, elongated object had entered our solar system from interstellar space, moving at impossible speeds. At first, it was labeled a comet or asteroid. But it didn't behave like either. There was no visible tail, no signs of outgassing, and its acceleration defied all known physics. Some scientists, including Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb, suggested it might be artificial, possibly an alien probe sent to study our solar system. And then, as mysteriously as it appeared, Oumuamua vanished, leaving behind more questions than answers. Now, something impossible has happened. Oumuamua has returned, and this time, it's not alone. Elon Musk has called this the most important discovery in human history, and scientists around the world are scrambling to make sense of what they're seeing. New objects, nearly identical to Oumuamua, are moving through our solar system in ways that shouldn't be possible. What are they? Where did they come from? And most importantly, what do they want? Tonight, we uncover the chilling details behind one of the most shocking discoveries in modern astronomy. When Oumuamua first appeared in 2017, astronomers were struck by its unusual characteristics. Its long, thin, cigar-like shape reflected sunlight in a way unlike any known asteroid. Most baffling of all, it accelerated as it moved away from the sun, yet showed no visible gas, tail, or traditional propulsion. Some suggested it might be a fragment of a distant planetary collision. Others proposed a more radical idea, a light sail, an artificial thin structure propelled by solar radiation. The truth seemed unsolvable. Before any spacecraft could intercept it, Oumuamua had left the solar system. For years, scientists assumed we'd never see another interstellar object like this, until now. Against all odds, new objects have appeared, following almost identical trajectories. Initially, astronomers thought it was coincidence. But then more objects arrived, all exhibiting the same strange behavior. Oumuamua was no longer a one-time anomaly. Something extraordinary was happening in deep space. As the new arrivals were studied, a shocking pattern emerged. Like the original, these objects were long, thin, and unlike any known asteroid or comet. They accelerated unpredictably, yet they weren't alone. At least two others were detected following similar paths, moving not randomly, but in what appeared to be a coordinated formation. This raised unsettling questions. Was Oumuamua in 2017 truly a lone visitor? Or was it part of something far larger? And if the new objects were connected, could this be only the beginning of a much deeper mystery? Elon Musk emphasized the significance. If these objects are related, we could be witnessing either an entirely new natural phenomenon, or something far more unsettling. Governments, space agencies, and private aerospace companies immediately began investigating. Unlike 2017, humanity was ready this time. NASA, ESA, and private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin began planning missions to intercept the objects before they disappeared again. China announced its own plan, sparking a new global space race. The unprecedented coordination signaled one thing. The world now believes these objects are more than just random space rocks. But time is running out. If humanity doesn't act fast, these objects could vanish once more, and with them, crucial information about their origin and purpose. Theories quickly emerged. Some suggested the objects were artificial probes, perhaps ancient surveillance systems sent by an unknown intelligence. Consider Voyager 1 and 2, which carry information about Earth into interstellar space. Could an advanced civilization have done the same millions of years ago, only we are only now discovering their message? Others feared a darker possibility. If these objects are observing us, could their return mean that whoever sent them knows we are watching? And if so, what comes next? Observations revealed something even more disturbing. Unlike asteroids or comets, which follow predictable paths dictated by gravity, these objects seem to adjust their trajectories intentionally. At first, scientists suspected measurement errors. But subsequent data confirmed the anomalies. They accelerated and decelerated in ways that shouldn't be possible for a natural object. Some researchers speculated about unknown propulsion mechanisms. Others suggested the objects might be responding to us, reacting, somehow, to our observations. One object, notably, altered its course after a deep space radar scan. A subtle change, but it was undeniable. If these were just space debris, why would they respond? Elon Musk warned that if the objects are artificial, they might be technology far beyond our own. And if natural, then our understanding of physics itself might need rewriting. Even more alarming, what if these objects aren't just passing through? Astronomers noted that one object seemed to steer toward the inner solar system. If an interstellar object is merely space debris, its path should be dictated solely by gravity. Yet this one appeared to be maneuvering. Global attention intensified. Telescopes and satellites tracked these mysterious visitors. Intelligence agencies were reportedly briefed. Space agencies coordinated unprecedented observation and potential interception missions. Leaks suggested high-level discussions about potential risks. Why the secrecy? If these were just rocks, why involve intelligence agencies? Could this be advanced technology? And if so, what does it want? Among the theories, the most unsettling remained. What if these objects are here for a reason? Some researchers connected them to a history of unexplained interstellar phenomena. Anomalous meteors, unexplained fast radio bursts, and historical sightings of unusual objects in Earth's skies. Could these visitors be a message from an advanced civilization, observing humanity for millennia? Or, more ominously, a warning. One thing is clear: the phenomenon is accelerating. For the first time, the world's scientists, governments, and space agencies are watching the same mystery unfold in real time. The question is no longer just what these objects are, it's why they're here. The return of Oumuamua was extraordinary. But the arrival of multiple similar objects behaving in ways we cannot explain has turned this into something far bigger, something that could rewrite our understanding of the universe itself. Are they a natural cosmic anomaly, or evidence we are not alone? If artificial, what is their purpose? Observation? Communication? Something we cannot yet comprehend? Elon Musk has warned that this is potentially the most important discovery in human history. Space agencies, governments, and private companies are racing to respond. But if these objects are observing, studying, or even interacting with us, then the real question is, are we ready for what comes next? Now we turn to you. What do you think these interstellar visitors are? Cosmic anomalies? Or evidence that intelligent life beyond Earth is already watching? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on the most shocking discoveries from the edge of space.